Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Gmail add-on for Salesforce activity logging, quick tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, open your Gmail account in your preferred web browser. Once logged in, locate the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the gear icon to access the settings menu. From the drop-down, select See All Settings. Navigate to the Add-ons tab within the Settings menu. In the Add-ons section, find the option for Get Add-ons. Click on the Get Add-ons link to open the G Suite Marketplace. In the search bar, type Salesforce to find the Salesforce add-on. Click on the Salesforce add-on from the search results. Then, click the Install button to add the add-on to your Gmail account. You may be prompted to grant permissions. Read the terms carefully. If you agree, click Allow to complete the installation process. Once the installation is finished, return to your Gmail. You should now see the Salesforce icon in the right sidebar. Click on the Salesforce icon to open the add-on. Sign into your Salesforce account if prompted. Now, you can start logging your activities directly from Gmail. To log an email, simply click on the Log Email option within the add-on. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the logging process. You are all set to manage your Salesforce activities efficiently through Gmail. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.